Hi, I'm Movie Smart Cat, and today we have ioutdoor X in review. New ioutdoor X 4G Phablet. It's the world's thinnest outdoor, rugged smartphone. It features a wide, 5.7-inch display. It will sport the new Helio P23 octa-core processor, and it has a powerful 2.0 GHz CPU with 6GB of RAM, which ensures smooth and stable performance. With 128GB of RAM, you will be able to store the most important data. Also, it has a slot for a TF card to expand the memory. Here we also have 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel rear camera, and 13 megapixel front camera, which will bring you vividness to your photos and videos, making them captivating. The system runs on the newest Android 8.1 OS. With Bluetooth 4.1, will you experience a faster connection to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth networks? The built-in fingerprint sensor will ensure the safety of your data. Whether you plan to go out to the beach or rafting on wild waters, it seems the ioutdoor X is a pretty good companion. It's an IP68 certificated device that is water shock and dust resistant. It consists of a high-quality device that offers some features that will blow your mind. As you can see, the package of the ioutdoor X is the most beautifully packaged cell phone I've ever seen. This device with small and compact dimensions, along with a total weight of 210 grams, demonstrating the portability that this incredible mobile phone has. This terminal has excellent protection against falls and water, thanks to its IP68 certificate, which allows it to stay up to 30 minutes underwater, and also withstand extreme temperatures, between 20 to 70 Celsius. Built from a super tough, bare, TPU material, that helps increase durability, along with a custom aluminum alloy, makes the body of the ioutdoor X compact and pleasant to the touch, including the little details, such as the logo of the brand, made of a completely ergonomic material. The ioutdoor X has a 5.7-inch display, with a total resolution of 720x1440 pixels. In addition to this, the glass has integrated Corning Gorilla Glass 5 technology that offers powerful protection against almost any type of damage. The design of the device allows a better performance in terms of protection, since not only the screen is covered, but also all the corners, helping to absorb the shock from an impact. First of all, the ioutdoor X has a 16 plus 8 megapixel back cameras, in conjunction with a powerful 13 megapixel front camera. It has the ability to scan the face, and has an automatic focusing option. Along with all this, it has a focal aperture, f/1.8, that is very helpful when taking pictures at night, with extremely low light. At the same time, it offers an amazing bokeh effect, with which impressive effects are achieved in any photograph. Its front camera has a huge capacity to take selfies, since the brightness helps a lot, so it is very easy to take pictures, even with intense light, since the device automatically adjusts the ambient light, and even more, in the dark, since it detects the faces, and determines the amount of necessary light that must be emitted. All this is achieved thanks to the algorithm used by this camera when making the shot. The ioutdoor X has an 8-core MTK6763 processor, clocked at 2.0 GHz, which offers a decent performance on the heaviest games, achieving adequate rendering of their graphics. At the same time, it has 6GB of RAM, and the whopping amount of 128GB of RAM, so you can have all kinds of 3D games, apps, or files in your phone, with plenty of space left. The battery of this phablet has a capacity of 3400 mAh, adopting a 16 nanometers technology. Thanks to this, the energy consumption of the device is reduced. It also has an 18 watts system of fast charge that helps to improve the speed of recharge, with which the ioutdoor X can be fully charged in just 100 minutes. The first thing to say about the operating system is that it comes with Android 8.1, offering greater comfort for the user, while having several windows open simultaneously, or a large number of applications at the same time, offers a huge customization system, which will make it easier for the user to interact with the phablet. With respect to its connectivity, this device supports GSM, SMA, TDD-LTE networks. In addition to this, it has a series of sensors that can help the user when traveling, such as a gravity sensor, gyroscope, compass, NFC, fingerprint, and facial recognition. But that's not all. It has the ability to connect to Bluetooth 4.1 and Wi-Fi, also offering GPS, AGPS, BDS, and GLONASS. Finally, it has the capacity to store it to Nano SIM TF card. Compared with similar specification products in the market, we found that ioutdoor X is way too cost effective. As we can see, the ioutdoor X is a great phone. It comes with all the latest features, including a triple camera setup, full screen, great connectivity options, stylish look, fingerprint identification, NFC, runs on the newest Android 8.1, and many more. ioutdoor X is world's thinnest, rugged, smartphone, so there is every chance for this handset to become a bestseller. That's all for now. For more news, stay tuned. Currently, this device can be purchased on the Gyroscope online store for a price of $279. We will leave the purchase link below, in case that you are interested. See you in the next video. Bye.